So welcome to this first in a series of videos using a Tinkercad skill builder. The idea is you'll work your way through the hexagons from bottom left to top right, layer by layer, building up your skills. Each level's got a challenge involved, so feel free to explore and see how you get on. The first thing you need to do is master the interface. In this example, I'm going to use a 3-button mouse. You can use a touchscreen if you're using an iPad. Using a 3-button mouse is, in my experience, the most effective way of working. The first thing is to hold with your right button and move around. This is called an orbit, and you'll be able to see your design in 3 dimensions. If you use your mouse scroller wheel, you can zoom in and out, and where you zoom in and out depends on whereabouts on the screen you are. You can also press and hold your scroller button and move from side to side. This is called a pan. Then you can use your left mouse button to click and select things, or click to move and drag. So let's have a quick look at the 3D workspace in Tinkercad. First of all, the big blue area is called the work plane. This is where we build. It's like a blank piece of paper or the bed of your 3D printer or laser cutter. You click and drag shapes from the basic library on the right hand side. You can search through this library for more shapes. There's one in here I want you to keep an eye out for. It's called the scribble tool. Have a look at what happens when you insert a scribble. The challenge is, in 1 minute, how quickly can you add all the basic shapes to the work plane without any repetition or overlap? Good luck.